Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we continue our Playwright lectures, and today we are going to speak about Playwright test generator, which is called Codegen. So let's start. Previously we installed Visual Studio Code, we installed Node.js, we installed Playwright, and we ran some demo tests in different modes using different commands. And today we will try to generate our first tests using Playwright test generator tool, which is called Codegen. For recording our tests, we need one command, npx playwright codegen command. So let's open our Visual Studio Code and run the given command there. Okay, so we have here our demo tests, let's comment them, let's move them down, and let's have a try to run npx playwright codegen command, and press enter. Okay, what we can see here? We can see that the browser window is opened, and the recording window is opened. And in the recording window we have here the beginning of the test already. You see that we imported some parts of from Playwright test, and we have here the skeleton of our future test. Here in our browser window we have several buttons. Record button, pick locator button, assert visibility, assert text, assert value, and assert snapshot even. Okay, let's have a try to play a bit with this Codegen tool. Let's take Plex website, and open it, for example. And here you can already see the results. So here the Plex website is opened, and you can see that the first command, the first step, is added here. Await page go to and the website. So we opened the website here. So if we need some locator, we can click this button and just focus the element. And it will give us, you see, if we focus Plex, we see that get by label Plex exact true locator can be taken from here. If we need, for example, action button locator, action link locator, we can get it by get by role link and name of the link you can see. Okay, so we open this website and let's verify something on it. We can click this eye icon, which means assert visibility, and we can assert that this Plex element is visible on the page. So let's click on it. And we can see that the next step is added to our test. So we expect that Plex element is visible on this very page. So again, we click on eye icon if we want to assert visibility, and for example, we assert that action link is visible, animation link is visible, comedy link is visible, and so on and so forth. And we have these steps immediately in our test. So code generator automatically records these steps for us here. Okay, the next tool icon here is assert text. We can click here. We can assert that, for example, go ahead stream free text is shown on the page, and click the tick, and you see that we added this step also here. Locator h1 to contain text and our text here. So verification is added. We can also verify this, for example, browse by genre. We can verify that what's on now also shown on the page, and so on and so forth. So we have all these aspects here. Okay, the next thing is this one, assert value. So we can click here, we can click empty input, and we can see that combo box input, find movies and TV to be empty, should be empty. So it is empty right now, and we verify that this input is empty by this moment. Okay, let's proceed a bit. Let's try to find some film here, some movie here. Let's try to open this movie. Okay, so we opened it, and everything is recording right now. You see that everything is being recorded. Let's verify, for example, that we have some text here, that nobody to should be shown on the page. Let's add verification, for example, that assert visibility, that this add to wish list button is also present here. And let's have a try to use the last icon here, assert snapshot. So we click here, let's focus this area, let's click the left mouse button and add this assertion here also to our test. Okay. So here we have our test generated for us. Let's copy it from here. Let's close our record. Let's go to our example spec.ts file. Let's paste our test here. And let's run our new created test. Okay, everything is okay. And let's run it one more time in our UI mode, yeah, to watch how it goes. So let's add UI flag, let's open the browser window, let's click run, and let's watch. Okay, our test passed, everything we recorded also passed. Let's close it. So let's separate a bit. We have actions and we have assertions. So after assertions we again have actions, click, fill, and assertions. Of course, it's not a good idea to keep everything like this here. We can take these locators and move them to other folders, to other files, to other classes, and so on and so far. But in general, Playwright Codegen tool has recorded the test for us, has created the structure, he has created the skeleton of our test, and now of course we can play further with this test according to different best practices. So in short, that's all about Playwright Codegen tool, guys. So now we know how to run the tests, we know how to generate the test with the help of Codegen tool. And in our future lectures we will see more magic. We will see how Playwright can be combined with AI tools and how these AI tools can write automation tests for us themselves. So in short, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.